Good morning. Welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. This morning we're going to be making Black Forest Brownies. Our first ingredients are 1 1/3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to mix that together. And we're just going to set that aside while I gather the rest of our ingredients. I'm going to add 1 cup of melted butter and 1 cup of cocoa. I'm going to blend that well. Then we're going to put in 4 eggs, add 2 cups of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. And now we will mix in our flour ingredients. We're going to fold in 1 cup of chopped cherries and 1/2 cup of walnuts. Now I'm gonna dump it into my 9x13 greased pan, and we'll preheat our oven to 350, and we will let it bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, while our brownies are baking, we're gonna make the icing. We're gonna start off with 1/4 cup of butter, teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of icing sugar, 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of milk. And we're just going to blend that together. I'm just going to use my little mixer today. These baked for 30 minutes. Now I'm just going to put our icing while it's still hot. That smells so good. Then we'll just let it cool on the rack. I'm just going to add a few chopped walnuts on the top here. Can't wait. They're still hot. Oh yeah, these are delicious. It's so moist.